to my New York City vlog. I'm currently in the car on the way to the airport. I'm flying out of San Francisco and I am going non-stop to New York City. Well, to New Jersey, where my friend is who I'm going to visit, is gonna pick me up, and I can't wait. Travel day.
See you later, San Francisco. Here I come, New York City.
Thanks, Mom, for the vocals. Hey guys, I'm grabbing this opportunity really quick because I'm on the airplane and the person who sits next to me just left, so I don't feel as weird. Gosh, I think that's creating a glare. Anyways, I'm first class. It's insane. This pillow says Sex with Avenue on it. I am lounged back in like a pod. My feet are up. There's a huge TV. I can pick, like I can lay all the way flat if I want to. I'm literally shook. This is the best Christmas present ever. Yeah, so I'm just here, sleeping, chilling. Dinner and champagne. And for our final course, we have ice cream. New York! Woo! Oh my god! I'm excited! Famous?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god.
Ladies ice cream.
No thanks. Okay, bye. Alright. Wait guys, be in it. We're in New York! We made it! We made it! Yeah. Yeah. So we just sat down at Cipriani's, maybe? Cipriani's? I don't really know. But we're outside. Where's Hannah? And I'm the horse. And I'm the weird horse that literally looks like it's. And we got these. Oh, on the house. Cheers. Cheers. We're in Cha-Cha Matcha. Anyway, so look at how cute. It's okay. I wish I got the soft serve. Just giving my review. What do you guys think?
Asking?
Yeah.
Okay, get Nicola's review.
Oh, fuck.
I cannot use
Oh yeah. Mop that floor. Very cute. The Smile. This is a little bar that we're going to. Look at how cute. Going down in Soho.
Yeah, that didn't end very well.
We're at the Winter Garden. Yes.
Okay.
It's really cool. So it's like, oh, that guy just picked up. It's like outside, and then there's these bungalows.
It's a yurt.
Actually, wait, is that what it's called? A yurt? It's a yurt. It's a yurt. And also, cheers. Also cheers. And we just,
we have guests.
gotta go. People are coming. Guys, we were just in the Turgs. Wait, what's it called? Yurts. 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 We were in the Turds. We were in the yurts, and this is the bathroom. Wait, look, it's a mirror. We're going to the bathroom. We've had a great time, if you can't tell. Hello? Oh, yes, sisters. This is the Abominable Snowman. Oh my god, wait, look at it on the camera. He looks so jolly. He's like, yes! He's like, yes! Oh, we're going up to the igloo.
I'm so fucking full of my eggs.
Next. Oh, what floor is it?
20.
We're going up, man. Oh wait, actually 20?
Yes.
Oh, sister.
No, when you get out, it's honestly really cool.
Oh my god, this is fun. Wait, oh, this is the inside?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I would be good with just being in here. Going up, sisters. All right, entering the igloos. Oh my god. Is this real life? Is this real? Oh my god, shut up right now. Wait, oh my god.
Teddy bear. Look at the water towers up there.
Literally, it's insane.
Oh my god. Wait guys, I'm so glad it's not raining, you guys. Oh my god, wait, I can't even believe this.
It's crazy.
We're in the igloo.
You got a heat stroke in December.
Robes or it didn't happen.
Where'd you guys
Hey.
The floor.
Hello, we're in the igloo. Nicole.
Oh, it's that thing that goes up and down, you know you're gonna...
And it's really old school.
Don't treat me like a
Old school.
And you
laughing, sneezing, yawning.
Oh, wait, watch Hannah, watch Hannah.
Your hair.
Oh my god.
when you like a guy,
I'm doing with you right now.
when you like a guy, you
flirt.
Yes.
Oh my god. Julie, this is not fun.
Yes, it is. We're getting out of the cab. Oh my god, you guys. Look at how cute this bar is. It's Christmas Town. Guys, Times freaking Square. Look at, they're setting up for New Year's, if you're wondering. Hannah, yes. Distractions. But literally, distractions. Look at, they're setting up for New Year's. Oh my god, it's so fun. Oh my god, it's so windy. Hey guys, we're here, day 2. It's way colder today. My voice is gone. We were out right now until 2:30 last night.
Struggling.
Yeah, struggling today, but this is so cool. We're in Times Square and they have all of the stages for New Year's set up already. Look at how cool. Oh my god, wait, this is too freaking cool. We got some New York cops. Check this out. A real NYPD. The crowds are crazy today. Yesterday was Friday, so it was a work day. It wasn't as packed today.
I feel like the rain like kept people awake too.
Oh my god, oh yeah, and it was raining yesterday. Today is a whole nother level of crowds of people. Of swarms of people. Swarms. Yes. Still in the Christmas decorations. Got some big ornaments. I'm wearing this red furry jacket today. It's very warm.
I thought that we were
First time beret girl.
Conserve my battery.
And this is the rest of the fit. This is the famous tree. Hey, it kind of looks big in the camera, but in person, it's a little bit underwhelming. But here's the whole Rockefeller Square, the tree. Yeah. We're out of the crowd. Oh yes. Wait, this is perfect. Oh my god. We're sitting at this bench and we have soup. And we get the view of this. Oh my god. Okay, so this is like a backstage mimic. The coat hangers, all of the model outfits. This is so cool. And these were probably really at the fashion show too. These are so cool. Oh my god, Adriana's final walk. I know. Oh my god. This is really what she had. Oh my god. Oh my god, this one's so pretty. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Okay, so we are here in Central Park and it's freezing. We got our gloves on at this point, except for Nicole.
Yeah.
How do you not have gloves right now? Nicole convinced Hannah to wear heels by saying we weren't doing any walking today, and look where we are. All we've done is walked everywhere today.
Quick straw.
But we're looking for the fountain. It's really cold though. Look at this background. Ooh, city girls. We've spotted some unicorns.
Romance in the park.
Romance. Oh, make out. Guys, this is in, oh my god. This is in Central Park. How cute.
Oh dear.
Belgian waffle with a view. Guys, this is what a subway station looks like. We have been having fails all day long. But
My seat right now aren't even out of me.
yesterday was so perfect though that we're just accepting that not every day can be perfect. Ooh, guys, we are at Catch. Woohoo! We got crispy shrimp and a bottle of wine. We're dining ourselves tonight. We deserve this.
The ambiance is essential.
What's your message?
Shit. Oh my god.
Mama. Y'all, look at this delicious cake we just broke open. Do you like it? We are about to have a competition. Player number 1. Oh. Player number 2.
There is no teams and I.
The beast from the east versus the west.
The Bay Area Killer. The hot-swinging slasher.
More stable with the shoes.
What? No, you have to put them close together, right?
Wait, you guys have to be like right in front of each other.
What the heck, you guys? Wait, I have to. Put this on. Wait, I'm literally dying. Bay Area Slasher. These are just Bay Area Slasher. Taping the We out here at the train station. I'm numb. New Year's Eve. We look ridiculous. Everyone else is just dressed normal. Look. Oh god. And look at this. Show the fit. Flash him. Flash him. Oh my gosh. Hey. We're at Penn Station. Carbon up. We were just let in front of the whole line to go into Times Square. Oh wait, hop the puddle. Go. It's pouring rain. It's crazy out. This is amazing. Ah! And yeah, so oh wait, we're getting searched. No? Okay. I was down. We made it, and we're literally like incredibly being led into Times Square privately because we have tickets to a party. I'm gonna shit my pants of excitement.